Okay, this one is done if you split the room like a battle. So the sections go across from each other, and then when we shake and thrust, what you'll do is shake and jump. It's like a jump thrust. Shake, so shake. You're not going back, but shake, thrust, okay? And then we jump, and then you move back, and back, and back, and back. So you're shaking, thrusting up. God, that sounds bad. Anyway, and jumping back. So this is a battle. Have fun with it. It's high intensity, but you'll notice when we do the jack part that I keep it low impact first, so that gives people the pattern to start, and then we go up and down in a fast jack. So, you know, do what you like with it. You can always modify anything. It's just a fun song. It's a party song, high intensity.
To know who came to turn up at their favorite festival. Turn up. I need some people, what? Some party people, hey, to jump on stage and rage with your bro. Oh, that's why I'm calling all my ravers, dressed in candy flavors. Calling all my hipsters, too cool to be my listeners. Calling all the scenesters with ironic t-shirts. Say no to drugs, gay for pay, and free Justin Bieber. Excuse me, who are you? Hey. Excuse me, who are you? Hey. I am the conductor, the beat is your instructor. All aboard! Get on that party train. Get on that party train. Chicka 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 get on that party train. I can feel I need to let loose. Loosen your caboose. I need to drink some juice with some gin so I can win and party with all of my friends. That's why I'm calling all my groupies and rats that like them bottles. Calling all my duck-faced Instagram models. Calling all the cuties doing squats for their booties. And Snapchatters, I need more disappearing boobies. Flash, cash, flash, no one rides for free. Cash, cash, or flash, no one rides for free but me. I am the conductor, the beat is your instructor. All aboard! Get on that party train.